You're listening to No Weather Radio Station KWO37, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.5 MHz. This station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from the tower on Mount Lukens in the San Gabriel Mountains. This broadcast is also relayed to a transmitter near Sandberg on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This is a marine weather statement for the following. Outer waters from Santa Cruz Island to San Clemente to 60 nautical miles offshore including San Nicolas Island. Strong thunderstorms over the coastal waters. At 4:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to around 30 knots. These thunderstorms were located over open waters moving east at 15 knots. Additional strong storms are possible over the coastal waters over the next hour. Mariners can expect winds to around 30 knots, locally higher waves, and lightning strikes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Flash flood watch remains in effect through early Saturday morning. The flash flood watch continues for a portion of southwest California, including the following counties: Los Angeles and Ventura. Through Saturday morning, showers and thunderstorms associated with a strong area of low pressure will move into the region today. Some storms will be capable of producing very heavy rainfall which could lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding and debris flows will be a particular threat in and below recently burned areas. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. Here's the latest weather synopsis. A strong area of low pressure will move east into our region today. Showers and thunderstorms will form over the coastal waters and travel eastward, bringing small hail, gusty winds, and very heavy rainfall. A weak area of high pressure will move into the region over the weekend before another area of low pressure affects the region early next week. Temperatures throughout the period will be slightly below normal for this time of year. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 45, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Los Angeles and Ventura, and the following: outer waters from Santa Cruz Island to San Clemente to 60 nautical miles offshore including San Nicolas Island, and inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to No Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The forecast for the Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles. Rest of today, showers and thunderstorms. Some storms could produce small hail, gusty winds, and heavy rainfall. Cloudy with a high near 55. South wind 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely before midnight. Then a chance of showers. Some storms could produce heavy A special marine warning for the following: outer waters from Santa Cruz Island to San Clemente to 60 nautical miles offshore including San Nicolas Island. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for outer waters from Santa Cruz Island to San Clemente to 60 nautical miles offshore including San Nicolas Island until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated lines of strong thunderstorms over the warned area. These storms will be capable of producing isolated wind gusts up to 50 knots with very dangerous seas and extremely heavy rainfall. Conditions will also be favorable for waterspouts. These thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. On Los Angeles, tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely before midnight, then a chance of showers. Some storms could produce heavy rainfall, mostly cloudy with a special marine warning for the following inner waters from Santa Monica to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for inner waters from Santa Monica to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina Island, until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated lines of strong thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts up to 50 knots and waterspouts. These storms were located along the inner coastal waters from Santa Monica to San Mateo Point. Locations impacted include Los Angeles Harbor, Catalina Island, Dana Point, Avalon, Two Harbors, Alamitos Bay, Port of Los Angeles, Newport Harbor, Santa Monica, and Palos Verdes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Flash flood watch in effect through Saturday afternoon. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood watch for a portion of southwest California, including the following counties: Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, and San Diego, through Saturday afternoon.
Special marine warning for the following marine location: coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out to 30 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out to 30 nautical miles until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a squall line with very strong and dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots. This storm was located 35 nautical miles west of La Jolla, moving east at 35 knots. The very strong winds will affect all areas within 40 nautical miles of the coast through 8 p.m. High seas over 12 feet as well as heavy rains and isolated thunderstorms will accompany the winds. As the squall line moves over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following marine location: coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out to 30 nautical miles.
Special weather statement. At 7:19 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Avalon moving east at 20 miles per hour. $50 size hail and winds in excess of 50 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Los Angeles County in southwestern California, southeastern Ventura County in southwestern California, until 8:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe squall line capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located near Buoy 53 to the north and Avalon to the south. These storms will continue to move east towards southeastern Ventura County and Los Angeles County. The squall line was moving east at 30 miles per hour. Brief weak tornadic spin-ups are possible with this squall. Locations impacted include Oxnard, Thousand Oaks, Camarillo, Moore Park, Simi Valley, Calabasas, Malibu, Beverly Hills, Universal City, San Fernando, East Los Angeles, Arcadia, Mohawk, and Downey. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within these storms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
This is KWPE-FM, serving the greater Los Angeles area. We will take a break from our programming for a few...
KFI News is following the storm that is impacting parts of Southern California. Here is the latest from the National Weather Service.
Severe storms with damaging winds caused major damage to towns and cities in Los Angeles and Orange counties. A downburst was reported in Santa Ana, where many buildings suffered significant damage due to winds around hurricane force. Flash flooding was reported.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Diego, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for western San Diego County in southwestern California until 12:15 a.m. At 8:18 p.m., National Weather Service. The radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the Warren area, with nearly 2 inches of rain reported in the last 30 minutes. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Oceanside, Escondido, Sandy, El Cajon, San Diego, and Chula Vista. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. for the following county: San Diego, California.
You are listening to KWPE. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties due to severe weather in our area. Please stand by.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in California: Orange, San Bernardino, and Riverside. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Orange County in southwestern California, San Bernardino County in southwestern California, Riverside County in southwestern California until 12:15 a.m. At 8:26 p.m., National Weather Service. The radar indicated very heavy rain across the Warren area, with the heaviest rain moving onshore in Orange County, which will move east. Another area of excessive rainfall was occurring west of the San Bernardino County mountains. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches have already occurred across the Warren area. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly. In addition, heavy rainfall will likely enhance the risk for dangerous mudslides and debris flows in recent burn scars. Rainfall rates in excess of 2 inches per hour are occurring in the heaviest areas of rainfall. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Anaheim, Santa Ana, Riverside, Irvine, San Bernardino, Fontana, Huntington Beach, Garden Grove, Ontario, Corona, Orange, Fullerton, Costa Mesa, Rialto, and Mission Viejo. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. for the following counties: Orange, San Bernardino, and Riverside.
KFI News is following the storm that is impacting parts of Southern California. Here is the latest from the National Weather Service.
Pacific Daylight Time, emergency management has reported 2 tornadoes approaching the city of Los
This is News Radio 1070 KNX. Severe weather is underway across much of the greater Los Angeles area. A tornado warning is currently in effect for the city of Los Angeles, and more storms will move into the area from the west. Emergency managers have reported a strong tornado causing severe damage in Beverly Hills, and a second tornado had caused damage to a few terminals at the Los Angeles International.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for central and eastern Los Angeles County, including the fish and sandburn areas in southwestern California, until 12:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:33 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain across the warned area with rates locally exceeding 2 inches per hour. Flash flooding and debris flows are expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include the Fish, Sand, and Reservoir burn areas, as well as Los Angeles eastward to the San Gabriel Valley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The tornado warning for south central Los Angeles County will expire at 8:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer appears capable of producing. The severe thunderstorm warning for Los Angeles County has been canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have weakened below severe limits and no longer pose a threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds and heavy rain are still possible with these storms.